Hello everyone. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how to count resting BPM, or we can translate to beats per minute. So first of course, you need data. In this case, the data is 20 students with a variety of heartbeats, and there are some three steps that I can make to put in the Venn diagram so that it's easier and more informative than just data. So first of all, you guys need to divide it all by 4 or any number. You can divide it by 2 too, like 4 is like the general number for BPM because in 1 minute there's like 60 seconds, and people usually counts their BPM through 15 seconds and times it by 4. So it's okay. You can divide it by 4 or divide it by 2. It's your choice. And then the next step is make another data that shows the aftermath or the answer after you divide it all by 4. After that, after you make all of the data, if you got the data, number 3, you can use numbers, or right now I'm using the attendance number in class, so that is more easier to put it in the Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram. The set A is covering 0 to 20 bits, while the set B is 20 to 40, while the set C is 40 to 60. In this one, as you can see here, there's an intersection between A and B, and we just put 3 numbers, which is 1, 13, and 19. And we can check right here. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 13, and this one is 9, 1, and this one is 19, which is, they all have the same number, which is 20. I put it in the intersection of A and B because A and B is 0 to 20. This is A, and 20 to 40, that is B. So they both have the same ending number and the same starting number for B. So I just put it in the middle because it's 20. The next one, these 4 numbers, which is 17, 18, 9, and 20. I put these 4 numbers because in the data, there are 4 students who have lower than 20, which is this 18, 19.5, 13, and 15, which is 4 students. And B is for the rest of the students. I didn't put any students in 40 or 60 because in data like this, the highest beats is probably 30s, and 40, maybe that's too high for a student. And in this case, I just add this one and this one, which is 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Then put the rest on B, which is 13. And next one, I have some questions that I need to answer. So the first one, how many students are in set A? As you can see here, there are 4 students. So just fill in 4. But wait, there are not only 4, but there are 3 more because it's part of A circle. So in this case, so if floor per 3 go to 7 students. The same thing as go to set B and set C, which is set B, I have 3 students and this one is 13, so 16, and set C equals to 0 because there's nothing here, here, and here. All these 4 parts, there's nothing. There's no students in it, so it's 0. Number 4. Find the probability of A intersection with B. If you can see here, the intersection is only 3 students, right? If it's asking about probability, it's probably asking about fraction, probably like fraction, or change it. You can change it to percentage, but in this case, I use fraction, which is 3 over 20. I'll get 3. 3 is from 3 of these, and 20 is from all of the students, which is 20 students. Number 5. Find the probability of A intersection with C, which is this and this, which is nothing. Or this part, particularly this part, which is there's no students or numbers in it. So that counts as 0 over 20, equal to 0. Number 6. Find the probability of B and C, which is this one, this part. There's nothing in there, so yeah, the same thing. 0 over 20 equals to 0. Number 7. Find the probability of not A intersection with not B and intersection with not C, which is also 0. Why? Because it counts like other than these 3 circles, which is this part, this part, this part, which is there's no numbers outside those 3 circles, my bad. So it's 0. Number 8. Which activity causes the highest heart rate for most students? In this case, we're counting about resting heartbeat, which is the normal heartbeat for people after waking up. So this question should be not answered by us. And last but not least, number 9. What conclusion can you make about heart rate and physical activity? So this one, you can answer if the Venn diagram is like this, and this one is like the normal one, this one is like the average one too, that counts as the average one, and this one is like the lowest one. So in this case, that heart rate have a connection with physical activity in if the person is doing a lot of physical activities like daily working out and things like that, can help the students or the person or the subjects to have normal heartbeat. If the students are not working out that much or doing physical activities that much, the students have lower than the average of the heartbeats. I guess that's all for the explanation today. Thank you, everyone.
I just had to let you know you're